This is a 1926 Emerson Jr Oscillating Fan. As you can see, it's in very nice condition. This is original paint. The only thing I've done to this fan is put a new line cord on it, put a new oscillating cord on it, and if you look at the picture on the website, the switch, the insulator on the switch was missing and replaced with a piece of white plastic tubing. I've since gotten a reproduction switch and put on it, and the only thing I need to do yet is get reproduction rubber feet and put on it. Otherwise, the fan is in good condition and it works just like it did in 1926. These fans have a date code on them. This number right here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a 6 right there. Go to the website for a better view. But you add 20 to that number to give the year that the fan was made. I'll turn the fan on so you can see everything. Thank you for watching.